This was one of those jobs that almost turned into a disaster. A frozen pipe, no burst, no flooding, just because a homeowner did one right thing and called us early. Here's what happened. One right decision. Many homeowners unknowingly wait for the situation to get worse before they call for help. They let their pipes drip slowly, ignore backups, and slow drains just because these issues weren't troubling them much. And when they wait, things get worse. But not this homeowner. He was proactive. He noticed the water pressure dropping in his house, immediately closed the main water supply, and called us for inspection. This single decision and his proactivity saved him thousands in water damage costs. What we found. To inspect this properly, we removed the section in front of the pipe. That access matters because working blindly behind walls is how issues get missed, and it's precisely how problems recur. And once the pipe was exposed, the issue was clear as day. At first glance, the pipe looked insulated, which meant it shouldn't have frozen in the first place. However, when we dug a bit deeper, we realized that the insulation was on the wrong side. Instead of shielding the pipe from cold air, it was trapping it directly, allowing the pipe to freeze even though it was inside the home. At Superior Plumbing and Heating, we've seen this more often than people realize. The next steps. After that, we removed the existing insulation completely. Now, before we could reinstall the insulation correctly, we released the cold and allowed the pipe to warm up. We installed the right insulation in the right way to protect the pipe, while still allowing warmth from inside the house to reach it. This one correct step alone can significantly reduce the risk of frozen pipes. To reinforce it, we added an electrical heating wire along the pipe. This warming cable activates during colder temperatures and prevents the pipe from freezing, even during the harsh Canadian winters. It's a preventative solution designed for long-term protection. Once everything was in place, we checked the setup to ensure everything was secure and working properly. The pipe is now properly insulated, stable, and far less likely to freeze. If our client hadn't been proactive, this small fix would have cost him thousands in damages. Do you notice such smaller things in your house? Comment below.